Have one, it's Paolo here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money for 2025. And this is going to be a Coinbase and GoE1ULife tutorial. So what I'll do is I'll show you the 3 simple steps. But before I do so, let me go ahead and show you some of my results. So you can see in here, the total commissions that I made so far is $12,250. So what I'll do is I'll show you the exact steps that you will do so you can also start getting this kind of commissions with this platform. So for those of you who are brand new to this channel, my name is Paolo Beringuel, and I teach people about how to make money online with affiliate marketing and paid advertising. Just make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can get the updates whenever I post a new video. Now for this video guys, the initial capital required is $10 minimum. And if you want to go all in, you need at least the $1,635. And the earnings potential will be $11,445 instant Bitcoin commission. So the steps are really simple. So step number 1 is to activate your packages. All you need to do is go to this website. So all the links will be in the comment section as well, so you can check them out. Step number 1 is go to this website, paoloberinguel.com/E1U. So what you do is go to that website, and then when you go to that website, you will be taken to this website right here. Okay, so this is the website of the company. It's called GoE1ULife. And essentially the way this works is that this platform, they sell different AI tools and software inside the platform that people can activate. People can purchase the credits and then activate. So there's also a video here that you can watch so you can understand how it works. But for you to become an affiliate, all you need to do is click this button that says Start Earning Now. And then you sign up, you create your username, all your details here, and then you hit submit. Once you do that, you then log in into your account. So as you can see, I am here in my account. And then as soon as you log in into your account, what you want to do next is go to the affiliate portal. Okay, so click on the affiliate portal. And then from here, what you want to do is activate all these packages right here. So whenever you activate each of these packages, it will give you the equivalent credits. And then once you have the credits, like in my case, I have this amount of credit. What you can do is then you can activate all these different tools and AI software and marketing tools. But we will be focusing on how to make money with this platform. So basically, again, what you do is you activate the packages. And to activate the packages, it's really simple. Let's say for this $10, all you have to do is click on activate. And then you will see for $10, you will get 100 credits. And you just need to send the Bitcoin, okay, this amount of Bitcoin to this Bitcoin wallet address that you can see in the screen. Now, if you're brand new to Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, what you can do is create an account with Coinbase, and you can get $10 in Bitcoin if you use the link in the comment section. Now, if you already have an account with Coinbase, then you can skip this process, skip this step of signing up. What you can do is go to your Coinbase account, and then from here you go and click on buy. So let's just say if you want to activate all the packages, let's just say that you put $1,800 in here, okay, in your Coinbase account to activate all the packages, because it's $1,635. So probably best if you put, let's say, $1,800 in your Coinbase account. So let me just wait for this page to load. So again, you go to home, and then you click on buy, and then you put the amount here. Okay. Put 1,800 and then click on review order. Then once you complete that step, what you want to do is click on send crypto. Okay. And then from here, what you want to do is go back to your E1ULife account, and then you click on activate. Really simple. And then you copy this Bitcoin wallet address, right? And then you go back to your Coinbase account. Okay, paste it here, and then you put the amount. Okay. So you copy this amount, in total Bitcoin, and then you send that Bitcoin. Once you send that Bitcoin, you just click on verify the payment. And if you want to use your credit card, you can do that as well. If you scroll down, then you can click on pay with credit card using MoonPay. So now what will happen is once this is activated, the next step is you activate your $25, $100, $500, and $1,000. Okay, really simple. Once it's activated, you are now qualified as an affiliate. And essentially what will happen is that because this platform is working in a 2x3 matrix, if I go here to, let's say, the 1000 matrix, if you click on view active matrix, okay, so you will see it here that whenever people join and they activate their account, you will see that the system will place the people in your matrix, and the orange people are people that you directly referred. If you don't want to promote, you can still make money because the system will place these blue members. So the blue members means these are spillovers and these are not your direct referrals. And whenever people are placed in your pay line, which is in the third level, each of this member, let's say if they paid the $1,000, then you will automatically get that $1,000 instant Bitcoin commission. Okay, so that's how it works. Now the next question is, now that you were an affiliate, so if you go back to the affiliate portal right here, okay, and then you will see that they will give you this different links that you can promote. Okay, and the good news is that this is available in English and different languages as well. So you can see it here, it's available in Spanish as well. So if you have a Spanish audience, if you have an English audience, you can use these different links. And then the next step is that, let's say, if you want to promote, what you can do is promote your link and you go to this website, the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency. So let's say, for example, that you want to promote your link. So let's say this link right here. So you copy this link and then you paste the link into a new browser. Let's have a look. Okay, so you can paste that, right? So if you want to promote this page right here, what you want to do is go to this website. Okay, the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency.com, and then all you have to do is buy the traffic package from this agency. So let's say you want to purchase the traffic campaign on Google, Meta, or Facebook, or YouTube advertising. The smallest amount you can buy is the $200, and the highest amount is the $2,000. So it's entirely up to you depending on your budget and depending on how much money do you want to make. So let's say you want to buy the $200, all you have to do is click on the package, and then after that you just need to complete the purchase. Okay, so you just click on add to cart, complete the purchase, and then once you complete the purchase, you will get an email, and then all you need to do is send this link. Okay, so you give this link, and then essentially what will happen is that once the campaign is live, let's say you purchase the traffic package from Google, then basically people will go to this page. Okay, so people will go to this page, and then step number 3, that is how you will get your commissions. So really straightforward, and all these commissions will be paid out in Bitcoin, and it will be deposited into your Coinbase Bitcoin wallet address. It will be automatically deposited into your Bitcoin wallet address on Coinbase. So it's instant commissions, instant deposits. And if you want to check out the history, you can go here, transaction history. So this is where you will be able to see the different commissions that are coming in. So you can see it here, all these $100, $25 whenever people join. Okay, so you can see all these commissions coming in. Okay, so you can see it here, right? $1,000, that's another $1,000, that's $500, and this will happen to you as well because basically you're copying my campaign. And today you have the opportunity to promote the same affiliate offer and to promote using the exact traffic agency. So you can see, right, all this $1,000 coming in, and this will happen to you as well because today you're copying my campaign. So again, all you need to do, guys, is go to this website, paoloberinguel.com/E1U, and then activate your packages. And then step number 2, promote your link using the affiliate marketing traffic agency.com. So thanks for watching, guys. All the links will be in the description of the video, or you can also go and visit these websites directly. So again, go to paoloberinguel.com/E1U and then affiliate marketing traffic agency.com. And then that's exactly how you can make your first $10,000, $12,000 in commission.